Bismillahirrahmanirrahim wa salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa. So in continuation of our Maddul that I promised to shoot a video about it and show you practically the Maddul Aslee. For recalling purposes, you should recall that Maddul is divided into two. We have Maddul Aslee, say it like 3 times so that you get to know it. Maddul Aslee, Maddul Aslee, Maddul Aslee. Sometimes this mad is also called Maddul Tabi'i. So this is just a technical interchange and terminologies that mean the same thing. So is that Maddul Aslee or Maddul Tabi'i? But I prefer to use Maddul Aslee because it is easy to pronounce and pass on to another person. So the second one is Maddul Far'i, Maddul Far'i, Maddul Far'i. So we are dealing with Maddul Aslee now. Maddul Aslee is subdivided into 3 as you have been taught in the previous lesson. Al-Maddu bil-Alif, Al-Maddu bil-Wa, Maddu bil-Ya, Alif Mad, Wa Mad, Ya Mad. So we want to see them practically in Surah Al-Fatiha, which happens to be the greatest surah in the glorious Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in between Rahmani we have Alif Mad, and this is the way it has been represented. So let me choose another color to show you. This is the way the Alifun Mad has been represented. So this is Alifun Mad that I'm talking about. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. So this is another Alifun Mad, just like the one I highlighted here. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. So this is Alifun Mad. This is Alif. Another way to write a normal Alif is this, and then you have the Fatiha coming before it, so it is basically Alifun Mad, primary Mad. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, another Alifun Mad. I indicated it. I can see in my recitation too. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Malik Yawmiddin, Malik, another. So everyone you see in red, in pure red color or red being underlined, I'm indicating that it is primary mad. And if I give you an assignment, this is the way I want you to indicate, either through your phone, your tablet, or your laptop. So Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. This Ihdinas siratal mustaqim, even though it is mad, but because this mad here is coming in contact with what? With a shadda, or with alif, with alif ashamsiya, huruf shamsiya. So it's going to what? It's not going to take effect in recitation. It's going to make it collapse and disappear. So you have ihdinas, you know, say ihdina, then you want to call the shadda at the same time. It's not going to be possible. So you let do of the mad and you emphasize on the shadda that you are meant to pronounce next. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladhin. So the first time we come about Ya Mad. Ya Mad is on the line here. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim, غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. So maghdub is also another waw mad that is different from your mad that we just came across. So this waw mad, wa, then you have dhamma before it. Maghdubi, غير المغضوب. That's why you have to pronounce. If you say غير المغضوب, that's wrong. We do not allow the natural flow of elongation that is given to it or that is written there. غير المغضوب صراط الذين ما And this, if you are not applying Maliki, it's going to be Maliki Yawmiddin, as if you are reciting like Warish. So in Hafs, that's Maliki Yawmiddin, Maliki Yawmiddin. You give this primary mad to every word you come across and you apply it appropriately. So you will also see that I've underlined some with yellow. Why did I underline this with yellow? This is because these are also meant to be primary mad basically, but because we are going to be stopping on them, they would have turned into another mad that is secondary mad. They become secondary mad because we are stopping on them. Also, Ad-Dalin is also a secondary mad because there is shadda and mad occurring on the same word. So that one too, I need to underline it and I need to indicate to you Ad-Dalin. So all these are mad, and specifically we are trying to identify the primary mad, the alifun mad, which is always represented by this alifun maksura. We call it alifun maksura. So it's the same thing as alif. It performs the same function like as the function this one perform, and the function this one also perform. So this is a normal alif that you know, but these are also alif that you may not have known, which is alifun maksura. Alifun maksura. So next you are to go to the next page of the glorious Quran. Okay, I think you should go to the last page of the glorious Quran, because the next page here will be okay. Yeah, you can also do this. I think you can do this. Okay, so here I want you to identify the Maddul Aslee that you have, the primary mad that you have. I want you to identify it and submit back to me. And if you do not have access to this type of plan, let me know. I will give you, or probably I would snapshot the next page and send you the page, this particular page. Or if it is the Quran itself you want, let me know and I will send it to you. See you in the next lesson. Wassalamu alaikum.